Yes, this is Bula, Bula Vinaka. And big Bula Vinaka to all the wantoks from Papua New Guinea, Solomons, Vanuatu, New Cal, and those from the Pacific region as well who enjoy Fiji music, Fijian music. And welcome to Fijisong lyrics translation. And this time we're going to see about the meaning of this song by Makare, a very popular band in Fiji, and the song is Gauna, and as you can see here it's past 1 million mark, so almost 1 million, 1.5 million, so certainly very popular, coming from a small island nation like Fiji. So thank you so much for liking and enjoying our Fijian music. So what are they singing about? There's a note here by a certain Chope Korisavo, and it's about the song, the background of the song. It was sung by the PJ Tumi trio, which consists of those that were sent in isolation to Makare Island because of their leprosy. Sung by the patient themselves, it tells of the heartbreak of a man who was sent by force to Makare Island, and because of his condition, his wife had fallen in love with another. I hope that by knowing this story, one would bring this song close to heart. Chope Kori Sabo. So in song translation, you can try and keep as close as possible to the literal translation, but at the same time still be able to translate the meaning across it. So I've tried to do that. I've tried to stick as close as possible to the literal structure of the lyrics of the song, of the sentence, but I hope you'll still be able to understand the meaning of the song. So nangaw sa ganitan rani ko may tamusuka, our time or our love, never dreamt that you would destroy. I did not realize then that my world was shattered. Kami kamida nondra vossa ko beauty au meu tutau dua. You abandoned me because of their sweet words. And you gave your love 2 times over to that one. Did you not realize how much I cried dia? So the dia here is just a transliteration of the English word dia. When you left me. How I felt betrayed when I knew that I was lied to. I will always hide and silently shed these tears of mine. Very poetic, eh? These Fijians. Nisaiwewe woli ningsu andinayadamu, because always on my lips, my princess, your name. Okay? If you can put it in a proper sentence, because your name, my princess, is always on my lips. See? So the literal, and then you can switch and change the words around to make a proper sentence. But following the structure, the literal structure, that's how it'll come out. But still, we got the sense of it, didn't we? Then here, I will wander far away, or I will go far away. Sarambeka meu laki bunitaka, perhaps to bury or hide Rarawandialongu, this pain of mine. or this pain of my heart. Sangani rami uparitaka, which will remain hidden, or which I will always hide. I will pretend to be happy in your eyes or presence. Because always on my lips, and never with my princess today. So then the repeat of, so it's just like a chorus. When you left me, you never knew how much I cried, how betrayed I felt in my heart, how my client when I realized that I was lied to. I will always hide and silently shed these tears of mine. Say, we're willing Songo because your name will always be on my lips, my princess. Yeah. So that's the end of the song, Gauna by Makare. And the Gauna again literally is that time. And because of the context of this story about love between the man and his woman, we can just say that Gauna is literally just talking about their love story. Their love story. So from me to you, and please like and subscribe and wait for more. Mode.